Hello everyone, welcome to my Sherry studio. Today I'm going to make some journal art and it's going to be a Hello May card. But first I would like to show you some stuff I recently bought. The first thing is this set of stamps, the cocktail stamps, and I have to tell you I can't wait to use them, especially the big one with umbrella. I think I'm going to use them in my next project. The second set of stamps I bought is the one with the tree. I bought it because of the tree, but I love all of the details and I think I will use them today, but I can't decide which stamps I'm going to use because I love the bench, I love the bird cage, I love the bicycle, so I think I will have a dilemma. And finally I have a blending tool, but I have some doubts, I have to tell you. There are three kinds of blenders, but the first one, the sponge, it's okay for me. But I'm not sure about the black one and this white one, because the white one it's some kind of a foam and it's really hard. And I'm not sure about how it's going to work. The same with these black ones, but I will try them later. Another thing is a set of inks, chalk inks, and this is the last set I was missing, because on the back of this ink board you can see all of the collection, and this is the one I was missing, so now I have all the collection. And the last but not least, the pocket box of watercolor paints. I didn't know that they are going to be so small, so I was a little bit surprised, but well, this is a pocket box, so it needs to be small, but it's really cute, and these colors, wow, they're really beautiful, and this small brush I can really have it in my bag, in my pocket, and the colors are really nice, especially the green ones, and I think I'm going to use them today as well on my card together with the stamps. So let's start. Oh, of course, I have also this set of tags. They are really cute, and I think I'm gonna also use them today. I bought also these two brushes. I needed very thin brushes, so now I have these two. And of course the most important thing, I mean the journal. This is the special journal for scrapbooking, and when I finish my card I will glue this card into this journal. First I need to choose which stamps I'm going to use, and I will take my stamping tool and the tree, of course, it was obvious choice, the cage and the bird, who now is free, the bench, and I think I will add bicycle as well, but first I'm going to stamp this tree and the bird. And for stamping I'm using black Archival ink from Ranger, and this is one of my favorite, and the most important thing is that it's waterproof, so it's very important today because I'm going to use my watercolor paints. And I have to stamp this tree twice because I can still see some white spots. Now it's time for the bicycle, the birdcage and bench. I think I will add some last details, I mean the small bird and some leaves. Now I need to make some space for the sign, Hello May, and my idea is that it's going to be a circle. That is why I'm going to cut a circle from the watercolor paper. So finally, let's start painting. First, I will wet my paper with clean water, and then I will add some paints. Colors I choose are yellow and green ones. My first thought was that I will just print this Hello May sign, but my second thought was, hey, but this is a journal. You can write it by your hand and it doesn't need to be perfect. It can be a little bit messy, uneven, but you know, I'm not so good in handwriting, but I was thinking I don't care. It's my journal and it can be as I want it to be. Now I'm using my favorite Finetec golden paint to make some sparkles. And I'm also painting my circle, the edges of the circle with this golden paint, and I think it's going to be a very nice idea. Now some details. I'm gluing these golden dots to my painting. Okay, let's choose some tags. And I think that the flower is going to be a nice idea. I also found this Hello Sunshine sign, and I think it's also going to be a good idea. Hello May, hello sunshine, finally, I hope. Using the foam tape, I'm attaching the sign to my card. And the ready card goes to my journal. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you like my new project, and I have a little surprise for you. Under this video you can download this photo of my card. You can print it and glue into your journal if you like it, of course. And I hope to see you soon in my next movie. Bye!